Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is the next installment in my horoscope series inspired by the sign Libra. If you haven't seen the previous looks in this series, I'll link the playlist in a card and at the end of the video. As always, the products, my social media, and the music used will be listed in the description. And with all of that said, let's get into the tutorial. As always, I was rocking a tube top. I started by priming my skin with NYX's Angel Veil Primer. Then I used an orange color corrector to neutralize my dark circles and a green color corrector to neutralize red areas. I like to color correct because it helps to create a more even and blank canvas before applying foundation. Then I applied Wet n Wild's PhotoFocus foundation all over my face with a damp sponge. I highlighted my face with a white concealer from LA Girl Cosmetics. I wanted a kind of ethereal look, so I applied a gold liquid highlighter from NYX to add a bit of a glow to my cheekbones. Then I set my face with powder. I used Anastasia Beverly Hills contour shades to add some depth back into my face. I used the Strobe of Genius palette from NYX to really add some shine and glow to my face. First I used the lower left shade, then the lower right shade in a more concentrated area. I used a slightly metallic blush to warm up my face. I'm not usually one for faux freckles, but I thought they'd be cute with this look, so I mixed together 2 shades of brow gel and stippled it over my cheeks and nose with a pointed paintbrush. I used the contour shades from this NYX palette to start defining my crease. You could use eyeshadow as well, I just wanted a very warm shade of brown and these fit the bill. I used the deepest contour shade from that palette to deepen my crease and to smoke out my lower lash line. I applied NYX's Lid Lingerie in Gold Standard to my lids. I pat a gold eyeshadow from Johnny Concert onto the center of each lid. Then I highlighted my inner corners with the gold from the Cosmic Metals palette. I used some liquid highlighters for some extra shine on my lids and inner corners. I filled in my brows with NYX's 3-in-1 brow pencil in black. I used the powder to get a diffused look, then I sharpened up the edges with the pencil. To get a perfect shape for the center of the Libra symbol, I traced a little makeup compact with a concealer pencil, then I added the lines around it. I also used the concealer pencil to map out the filigree design on my shoulders. I traced over the concealer pencil with Mehron's Gold Paradise paint. I also added some extra swirls here and there and then thickened the end of each shape. I used NYX's Epic Ink Liner to line the lower edges of the design where the drop shadows would be if it were actually 3-dimensional and sitting on top of my skin. Then I used my contour shade beneath the lines to add more of a shadowed look. I used a dark brown eyeshadow from Coastal Scents to sort of blend the black lines into the lighter brown contour shade. I applied a gold liquid lipstick to my lips. Last, I applied some lashes, put on a wig, then finished the look with a headpiece I made. Congratulations, you have made it to my end screen. Click that top link to check out the rest of my horoscope looks, or click that bottom link to check out my last video. And if you want to make sure you don't miss a single video from me in the future, click that little circle with my face in it to subscribe.